Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC SIERRA 1500 AT4 in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we have our black interior leather heated seats on both sides with our AT4 badge here up top and our brown stitching along these sides. At the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls, and up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in navigation to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll find your volume scroll wheel here on the left-hand side, and down below we have our dual climate control zones. Of course, further down we have our USB-C and USB charge ports, trailer brake controls, and our AC outlet here on the right-hand side. Down below we have a wireless charging pad, some extra storage, 2 cup holders, and inside our middle console here, if we take a look, we have plenty of space and storage to go alongside our SD, our USB-C, aux, and USB charge port. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, you will see we do have our automatic power windows. And right next to that, we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. Up top by our handle, we have our power locks, and of course our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our drive modes and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside a rear view camera, and all those settings here down below. Of course, by our steering wheel here to the right, we do have our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. And up top, we have our digital rear view mirror display that can be turned on and off with a flick of a switch. Up top, we have our universal home garage opener, and of course, our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Moving along to the back here, you have plenty of legroom and storage space for anyone needing to sit back here. Of course, we still have our black leather heated interior seats, and you can find the controls for our seats right here to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with extra storage. Speaking of storage, there's also these cubbies inside the seats itself, as well as underneath. In the middle, we also have a cup holder, and last but not least, we have our power sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on the AT4, we of course have our front-facing camera inside our grille, red tow hooks, LED headlights, and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, we do have 18-inch rims on our Wrangler Goodyear tires, our power adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier, black running boards, keyless entry, and tint in the rear window. Moving along to the side here, we do have our corner assist steps, as well as our black tonneau cover up top. Taking a look at the back here, we do have our dual chrome exhaust, as well as our spare tire underneath. Last but not least, we do have our MultiPro Tailgate. Press the top button down to get the first half, no problem. And you can also turn this into a step when needed. And if you want the whole tailgate, just press the second button. It'll come down and lead you to our spray-on bed liner. And of course, our 120 volt outlet here on the right-hand side. On the front, you'll also find our paint protection here as well. And that is our 2021 GMC SIERRA 1500 AT4 in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.